Good evening. I am M.M.Naikwadi Advocate from Dharwad. Today I am going to tell you briefly regarding amendment. Amendment means change in the pleadings. Order 6, Rule 17 deals with amendment, and amendment is made by way of adding, substituting, or deleting in the pleadings. The pleadings here means the plaint, written statement, petition, objections, appeal, cross objections, etc. And amendment application is usually allowed before evidence stage, and after evidence stage the applicant, either plaintiff or the defendant, has to plead that in spite of the due diligence he could not raise the pleadings earlier, and under such circumstances only after evidence stage amendment is allowed, otherwise amendment is rejected. Here the basic cardinal principle pertaining to amendment is that the amendment should not be inconsistent, repugnant, does not change the nature of the suit, or even admissions cannot be withdrawn, etc. Here after allowing of the amendment, 14 days time limitation is fixed for carrying out amendment as per order 6 rule 17 of the CPC. And if the party fail to carry out amendment within 14 days, then application under section 148 of CPC has to be filed seeking time for the carrying out of the amendment, etc. And usually amendment application is filed by a party and the opposite party file the objections, and both the side make hearing on the application, and court came to pass orders either allowing or rejecting amendment. Suppose if the party is aggrieved by the amendment, he has to approach the High Court by way of writ petition, and a miscellaneous petition or regular appeal does not lie, etc. If the plaintiff carries out amendment as per the order, he has to file an amended plaint, and after filing of the amended plaint by the plaintiff, the defendant files an additional written statement. Suppose if the written statement is amended, then the plaintiff files the rejoinder. This is the position pertaining to amendment of the pleadings in original suit or any other proceedings of civil nature. What would be the if amendment is required in the interim applications? Interim application, there is no question of amendment. The only recourse for the party is to withdraw the earlier application and file a fresh application as per law. Hello, you are reading.